In this tutorial, I will be unboxing the Envision glasses and show you what is included. The Envision glasses will be shipped in a cardboard box. On the long side of the box, you can open the lid. Keep in mind, in most cases, there will be tape that needs to be removed first. Once you've opened the cardboard box, you will find some paper that acts as padding and two separate boxes. Get both boxes out and discard the paper and cardboard box. Let's open the smallest box first. This is the box with the lightweight titanium frame. Get rid of the plastic by opening it at the edge. Now, by pushing the side firmly, the inside part will move out. By holding the frame, move it up to remove it from the paper holder. Now fold the back of the frame out and afterwards remove it from the paper. You can get rid of the packaging, place the frame in front of you and move to the other box. The large box contains the Envision glasses body, a small booklet, and the charging cable. To open this box, place the bottom of the box on a surface and lift the lid. On top you will find a booklet with Braille on it. The Braille message says to go to envisionglasses.com. If you open the booklet, it will show you the 5 steps needed to pair your Envision glasses. Below that you will find a thin protective paper. Once you get rid of that, the Envision glasses body is visible and you can tilt the glasses up from the holder they're in. Your Envision glasses might still have a protective sticker on the camera at the front and around the glass. Make sure to get rid of these first. Place the glasses on the table for now. In the box you'll find the holder where the Envision glasses body fits in. Get rid of this by lifting it up. The only thing left in the box now is a smaller white box. Open the box and you will find a USB to USB-C charging cable for the Envision glasses. That's it, you can get rid of anything else and start pairing the Envision glasses with the app. As always, for more information, visit letsenvision.com.